Hello, welcome back to our channel Quick Study. So in this video, we are going to see few more models of problems on trains. So let's get started. The first question is, two trains are moving in opposite directions 60 km per hour and 90 km per hour. Their lengths are 1.10 kilometers and 0.9 kilometers respectively. The time taken by the slower train to cross the faster train in seconds is. For any question, firstly calculate relative speed. Here the relative speed is 60 plus 90, that equals to 150 km per hour. Converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. That equals to 150 into 5 by 18 equals to 125 by 3 meter per second. As both trains are moving in opposite direction, we have to add the speeds. Length of trains are given as 1.1 kilometers and 0.9 kilometers respectively. In the question, they have given that both the trains are crossing each other. So, distance traveled equals to sum of length of trains, that equals to 1.1 plus 0.9, which gives 2 kilometers. Converting kilometers into meters, we get 2000 meters. We know that speed equals to distance by time. From that, time equals to distance by speed. Substitute distance and speed values, that equals to 2000 by 125 by 3, which gives 48 seconds. Coming to the next question, two trains, each 100 meters long, moving in opposite directions, cross each other in 8 seconds. If one is moving twice as fast as the other, then the speed of the faster train is. In the question, they have given that speed of fast train is twice as the speed of slow train. So let us assume the speed of slow train is x meter per second. Then speed of fast train is 2x meter per second. As both trains are moving in opposite direction, their relative speeds equals to sum of speed of faster train and slower train, that equals to 2x plus x, which gives 3x. Distance covered equals to sum of lengths of the train, that equals to 100 plus 100 equals to 200. We know that speed equals to distance by time. Substitute speed and distance and time values, which gives 3x equals to 200 by 8. We get x as 25 by 3 meter per second. Convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, that equals to 25 by 3 into 18 by 5, which gives 30 kilometer per hour. As the speed of the fast train is 2x, substitute x. 2 into 30, which gives 60 kilometer per hour. Coming to the next question, two trains 140 meters and 160 meters long run at the speed of 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively in opposite directions on parallel tracks. The time in seconds which they take to cross each other is. As trains are moving in opposite direction, relative speed of train equals to sum of speed of trains, that equals to 60 plus 40 equals to 100 kilometers per hour. Converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. 100 into 5 by 18 equals to 250 by 9 meter per second. We know that speed equals to distance by time. Here, distance covered by two trains to cross each other is sum of length of trains, that equals to 140 plus 160 equals to 300 meters. Time equals to 300 by 250 by 9, that equals to 10.8 seconds. Coming to the next question, a train 110 meters long is running with a speed of 60 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 6 km per hour in the direction opposite to that in which the train is going? Speed of a train is given as 60 km per hour. Speed of a man who is running opposite to the train is 6 km per hour. Relative speed equals to 60 plus 6, that equals to 66 km per hour. Convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. We get 55 by 3 meter per second. Length of a train is 110 meters. The distance travelled by the train is 110 meters to cross a man. Time taken by train to pass a man is length of a train by relative speed, that equals to 110 by 55 by 3, that equals to 6 seconds. That's all for today's video. We'll come back with next new topic in next video. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.